NASA's MAVEN spacecraft is set to launch November 18th. MAVEN is designed to study the upper atmosphere of Mars. While this is fascinating, I want to give my opinion on NASA's focuses. Namely, they seem to have a Mars obsession. So far, their successful missions to Mars include Mariner 4, Mariner 6, Mariner 7, Mariner 9, Viking 1, Viking 2, Mars Observer, Mars Global Surveyor, Mars Pathfinder, Mars Odyssey, Spirit, Opportunity, Phoenix, Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter, and Curiosity. They have also contributed to Mars Express with the European Space Agency and the Italian Space Agency. And they also have planned MAVEN InSight and another rover in 2020. They will also contribute to 2 missions to Mars that will be launched by the European Space Agency in 2016 and 2018. Yes, Mars is fascinating. Yes, we should probably explore it more. And yes, I hope someday humans get there. The solar system is a fascinating place, and there is so much to explore, but NASA's budget is limited, and I, for one, would like to see the money it has go to more diverse missions, rather than continuing to send probes to Mars. Some ideas. Jupiter's moon Europa. The surface is covered in ice, but it probably has an ocean underneath. Send a lander, drill beneath, take some samples, and see if it could have the necessary building blocks for life. The only missions so far have been to Jupiter and made quick glances of Europa as they fly by. The ESA's program, JUICE, will study 3 of Jupiter's moons and launch in 2022, but so far nothing from NASA. For that matter, all of Jupiter's Galilean moons would be interesting. Second, Saturn's moon Titan. Cassini has made some observations while studying Saturn, and the Huygens probe impacted the moon, but there is still so much to know about this interesting moon. Time, the Titan Mare Explorer, would have been a probe developed by NASA to land on one of Titan's polar seas and make observations for 3 to 6 months. It was dropped for guess what? The InSight mission to Mars. Neptune's moon Triton. It's a rare moon because of its retrograde orbit and geologic activity. Send a probe to study it. Venus. We've imaged Venus's surface. We know some things about its atmosphere. We've had some images sent back from the surface by Russian probes. But I'd like to see more study done of its atmosphere, its potential volcanic activity. It would be interesting. So there you go. Mars isn't the only interesting thing in the solar system. Start exploring the rest of it.